Good morning, it's me, Merong Sins. Meron pong announcement sa school and Cha family Christmas party. So, everywhere, so pinakaiba ang number one, ang pinaka yun. And then, so, pagtapos yung pinakabagong taon, 2025, and then back to class to January 6, 2025, the end of school year of 2024 and 2025. So, every recognition program, so award to this 2024 and 2025. So, graduation na lang tayo. So, everybody, so shout out, pero dapat yung yung pinakabagong YouTuber magiging ako mismo. Anyway, and everybody so very pinakaiba ang number one, ang isang buong mundo. Okay? So, don't forget this video, hit the like button and share and subscribe. Peace. Bye-bye. Sick is me.